Let us run Python basics on Jupyter Notebook. First, install Jupyter Notebook from jupyter.org. It's free, open standards and web service for interactive computing across all programming languages. Jupyter Notebook is the original web application for creating and sharing computational documents. It offers a simple, streamlined, document-centric experience. After installing, we get web-based interactive development environment like this. Without further delay, let us look at Python basics through examples. We type Python code in Jupyter cell and run. Output of the code that you write will be displayed just below the cell. Let us look at print function. Print is built-in function is used for send output to screen or console. Coming to the print, I run print function. The output that I see here is like this. I go to next cell and run it and we get like this. Let us see Python supported keywords. You would need to import keyword lib and print keyword.kw list. The output would be like this. We get list of keywords. All keywords in lowercase. Keywords cannot be used as identifier. Coming to Python supported data types. Basic data types, container data types, user-defined data types. In basic data types, we have int, float, bool, string, byte, complex. In container data types, list, tuple, set, dictionary. In user-defined data types, class. Python is a dynamic typed language. Means no need to define type of the variable. Based on context, Python infer the variable type. Now let us see integer variable. I am assigning integer value to variable. Here value is 10 assigned to variable. Let us print it. Value stored in my variable is 10 and type is int. Now coming to the float. The 10.5 is assigned to my variable and print my variable, and with the word type we get to see what kind of variable it is. Now see data type string. We assign string to the variable. Now see the print my variable and see what type of variable is assigned to my variable. When you run it, we get the value and type of the variable. Now look at data type bool. A value is assigned to my variable and that is converted into bool, and that value is assigned to my bool. And now see the type of the bool and value there. See, the type of variable is bool, the value stored in the bool is true. We now assign 0 to variable and convert the variable into bool and then print. The type of variable is bool, it is holding false. Python also supports data type complex. A complex number is assigned to a variable and print. The type of the variable is complex and it holds complex number. Now coming to data type conversion. We can convert one numeric type of another using built-in functions int, float, complex and bool. We assign a value to my variable and convert with an int variable and assign to another variable. Print that value and see the type of the variables. Look at this. We assigned float value. We converted into int. So float got converted into int. 2.5 is float value. 2 is an integer. I assign a value 2 to my variable. It gets converted to float as a 2.0. Now the value assigned to my variable, which is 2, and then the bool converts it and shows true. And I assign 0 to my variable, the bool gets converted and shows false. Value assigned to my variable and converts into complex, and we show the complex number 2 plus 0j. Now arithmetic operations. Python supports all operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and power. Let us evaluate the expression using arithmetic operators. First, arithmetic addition. Run it, we get the output. Subtraction, run it, we get 1. And multiplication, run it, we get 20. Power, we get 1024. Per quotient, we get 1. Per remainder, we get 1. This is the end of Python Basic Part 1. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming videos.